Hey gamers, looking for the best max performance per dollar in a $700 PC for 2025? Future-proof beast. Get the AMD Ryzen 5 7600X CPU, 6 cores, super fast for gaming and multitasking, AM5 socket for future-proof upgrading to next-gen chips. Combine it with Gigabyte B650M motherboard, provides DDR5 and PCIe 5.0 support for future-proofing, followed by 32 gigabytes DDR5 6000 RAM for advanced multitasking and a high-performance 1 TB NVMe SSD for a variety of storage options. Intel Arc B580 12GB VRAM runs gaming standard 1080p Ultra or 1440p high in Fortnite, Valorant, and AAA games. No need to play on low settings. Case, Fractal Design Focus 2 Black TG, Clear Tint PSU, MSI 650W 80 Plus Gold. This build praises by the PC team and the PC communities alike for exceptional value and the upgradability. It can use all modern DDR5 RAM. Links in the description. Subscribe and share your thoughts in the comments.